Rilem Fukeng is the best number 10 in the country. Leyo na ixoxisi, ayifuni debate, ayifuni nokuthi siphikisane. The bega aliko i2000 right now in the PSL that plays better than Rilem Fukeng, that scores better goals than Rilem Fukeng, that contributes more than Rilem Fukeng. Orlando Pirates is the best team in the league. Ayiki team esha 11 goals in 2 games this season in the league, and it's looking like Orlando Pirates might just win the league le, because siyazi ukuthi Chiefs mazodlala ne Sundowns, the Chiefs izoyenza izinto eziright. Be Orlando Pirates namhlanje beba flawless, they did everything right. Bega Ozuna Police scoring a brace, umuntu nje swarit ngaye bafethu yi1 khona manje uyanela Mbuthuma. He's definitely better than No Evidence Makgopa, makes better runs than No Evidence Makgopa, makes better choices than Evidence Makgopa. Nokuphasa kwakhe ungcono kuno Makgopa, nanoma lapha eboxini wenza izinto ezingcono kuno Makgopa. Into nje shota ngaye one uyanela Mbuthuma yi-goal. Makunomprofeti enimaziyo nina lapha kuma comment section bafethu ngicela nidime umntana abantu ahamba yogezwa, or maybe lo baba lo sinokumbona athi achela ngetswayi lapha esigodini lo Orlando Pirates makangasebenza amacox wakhe mhlawumbe umjida uzokora. Because at this point, if Orlando Pirates had a lethal striker, umjito lazi ipala ukorayo makumele ukuthi akora, angabe sikhuluma isinye story. Orlando Pirates kube iwina ngabo 6-0, kube iwina ngabo 7-0, mara the only issue is that right now asinayo umuntu phambili okorayo. But we give credit where it's due. For the first time, coach Abdeslam Owadu wakhetha i-team right, i-team solid, and this is the team that he needs to continue with throughout the season. Angasashintsha i-team yakhe ngoba naye sometimes unokufana no Hugo Bruce nje naye makathandile sometimes ngathi banokudideka boba yi2. Unokuthola sinini he wants to start with De Jong, ubencha lo, sinini udlalisa lo, sinini udlalisa lo. This team that played tonight is the only team that should start every games for Orlando Pirates for the remainder of the season. Marutito bafethu mele sibe honest ngaye nyana. Utito of Omnyanu Tito next season angimboni lapha eOrlando. I don't think Utito is going to be playing for Orlando Pirates next season. It's looking very likely ukuthi angazithola bamlone lapha kubo Marumo Kellens, lapha kubo Richard Spey, just ukuthi abuyise form yakhe, because no, this is not the Tito that we know. Ungenile kule game leyana, he didn't offer anything. Ungenile kule game akacontributanga for goal, he was just all over the place. And for me, ilaziness aka Tito yangwarisha, because makaluzi ibhola phambili kunzima ukuthi agijime ayomaka uyatswafa ayikho nje into right like akumhlanganeli this season. Now the big question is, kule team ye Orlando Pirates Hugo Bruce uhamba nobani ku World Cup? Asiqale ngoSipho Chain. Did you see the save that he made? Belingena lela goal ku Ronwen Williams, belingena lela bolo lelana ku Ricardo Lina, futhi Bruce bavuma ngikhuluma nokukhuluma bekalufaka yena ngaphakathi ngokwakhe netini. Sipho Chain is currently the best goalkeeper in the Betway Premiership. He is currently the best goalkeeper with the most clean sheets with Betway Premiership. So you're telling me with Hugo Bruce still he's gonna look down on Sipho Chain ahamba yobiza abo Ricardo Lina bakora magola 2 in 45 minutes? Sipho Chain right now is the best goalkeeper in the PSL. Ama player we Orlando Pirates ekumele ukuthi ahambe aye lapha na bafana ku World Cup. Kamkhelo Sibelebele, currently the best right back in the country. Akadlali ngezandla. So uKhuliso Mudau is second now, because asikaze sabona Sibelebele asha umuntu ngempama, asikaze sabona Sibelebele asha ama mistake atlamzi lapha eboxini sidliwa. He's good on and off the ball. Sibelebele must go to the World Cup. Obvious. Ayile ayixoxisa. Rilebogile Mfukeng, he must go. We don't need another number 10. Uthemba Zwane can just sit us join lapha estudio azoyenza nathama chalo ngangahambi noMfukeng. Mfukeng must be the only number 10. Yanela Mbuthuma must replace Evidence Makgopa. Angithi kunomprofeti sizomtholela umprofeti Mbuthuma. If you see this Brian, khona umunye wabo ngimaziyo yabageza abantu. Yabageza abantu mfana, ugeza abantu abangathola imisebenzi bathola imisebenzi. Nawe mawumesa amagoli yokugeza nawe ukwazi ukushaya amagoli, uphelele ushota nje ngale goal. So Kamkhelo Sibelebele, Rilebogile Mfukeng, Evidence Makgopa bafitha akaindawo. uSipho Mbule must go. Talent Mbatha, ever solid Talent Mbatha, right passes, uyakwazi ukushoota, he covers back, uya defender, space marker, wenza everything right. Orlando Pirates deserved to win this game. They did everything right, dominated from start to finish, ball position senze kahle, created a lot of chances. The only thing that concerns me ukunga convert, because some teams badlala le low block layer, and once baqala nge low block first half niyazi ukuthi second half the only thing you can score is 1 or 2 goals. So the only thing engwarishal is the finishing. And Mfukeng uyamamela bafethu. Siyabonga ukuthi uRilebogile Mfukeng ukhethile ukumamela masithi kuye, stop tossing and turning a boxing for no reason. Shooter, and ever since he's been shooting uyakora. Asithukani kuphela mara ezinye izinto masikhuluma ama facts. Ibhola mawulazi uyalazi, abantu abangalazi abazoloku bathi insult ama player what siyaba booster, we want the best for the players. So Orlando Pirates won 5-0. Mamelodi Sundowns iwine 1-0. iDurban City benomsebenzi we-1 nje ukuthi bambe idraw lapha nabahluleka, but it's fine. We know Kaizer Chiefs amakhosi for lunch will get the job done. Orlando Pirates, congratulations, you are the best team in the league. Relebohile Mofokeng, you are the best number 10 in the league. Ozona Police, you are the best wing in the league. One of Laba Boy 2 also win the play of the season this season.